YouTube, how's it going today? So today's video, we're going to be prepping my spare 2-3 block. Just got it back from the machine shop, had it magged, just a light hone. Luckily I was able to keep the stock pistons. Crank needed to be turned and got it all back, new bearings, waiting on the rings to come in, so let's get some paint work done to it. Not the prettiest surface, so we're going to use this rusty metal primer, and that'll get the primer will give a good stick to the block, so then we can put a nice paint over top and it won't just flake off like, you know, a lot of rattle can jobs will do at the end of the day. So let's get at it. Before we start painting this 2-3 block, we need to make sure that all the oil and water is out of this thing. So it'd probably be better to use like MAP gas, but I'm going to use propane. Of course. And we're going to heat this block up. And you're going to see the block change colors and actual moisture come out of the block. So we're going to get this done real quick. We get it prepped and ready for the next part of getting this paint on here. So let's get at it. So with that out of the way, now we can actually get ready to start applying this primer. So we're going to stir it up a bit, get the brush out, and start lathering it on there real quick. Then probably in the next day, I'm going to get some actual cover paint, because I don't want it just to look like, you know, rusty brown, essentially, is what it's going to look like by the time we get done adding this on there. So I'm going to add another layer of paint just to give a nice color to it. Probably going to be black. Haven't quite decided. We'll see when I get to the store what they got there for me. And so let's see how this thing turns out. Bit of a quick video today. We got the paint slapped on it. Now I'm just waiting on the rings to get in. Those should be here Wednesday-ish. Surprisingly, my wife kind of actually likes this color, and it's growing on me a little bit, but I'm not quite too sure if I'm going to leave it like this or, you know, give it a black paint job or something like that. Once we get the rings in, we can start setting the bearings up and everything, get the rings filed or gapped, and get this thing all put together and turning over. So thank you for your time. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.